Today we will discuss the top free apps for automation within AutoCAD. The first one we will have a look at is the Drawing Purge app. Although purge is a command in AutoCAD, this one gives a window with many more options for purging without having to specify all the typical settings. If you type purge, you'll see the new commands have been added: WG Purge and WG Purge Batch. For those that like to click, it's also found in the Add-ins tab in the ribbon. Pressing purge will give you the typical results of the normal purge with default settings. The more powerful tool is the capability to batch purge multiple files through specified files or even whole folders. Tweak the settings to save or not save, replace or overwrite, add suffixes, save as different versions, or archive folders. Specify the purge settings even as deep as purging XREFs. We can also specify for the file to open in model space and to zoom extends, as well as changing the units. This way, we have the power to control how you purge and prepare the files for your office. With Auto W Block, you can automatically export multiple blocks or layers from model space into separate files, and quickly store and reuse DWGs to fit your company standards. Within the Add-ins tab in the ribbon, we will find the Auto W Block button. This add-in has a separate window that will find every block that was created in the drawing. This allows us to select which blocks we want saved, where we want them saved, and which version of AutoCAD we want to save the file into. With a click of a button, all blocks are instantly saved into our specified folder and ready to be distributed to the team. Visit apps.autodesk.com or type in the hyperlinks below to quickly get to the appropriate page.